So in this video, I wanted to spend some time showing you the Schoology page for the course and how to access some of the resources within it. So the pink folder is where you're going to find your content. You're going to find all the main resources for the unit right at the top. I have a different video about that. And then all the, the resources and assignments that are attached to that unit. And the unit that we are currently working on is going to show up in pink. And as we finish that, it changes color to green to indicate we're done with that part of the course. But pink folder is definitely your main place to go. But there's some goodies here too on these blue folders. On the first one, called Class Operations and Documents, you can find your syllabus, which basically is a full breakdown of how the class works, all the grades system and stuff like that. And I explained that in class, but if you ever need a reference, it's in there. There is the class norms, which points to our presentation, which talks about my expectations of how I expect students to behave in the class in accordance to D6 Online Academy standards. There's a course plan document. That's a really useful one. This one actually points to a spreadsheet that shows you what we do each day in class and what is the current total number of expected points for game points in the class and the goals for each day as well. So this is a really useful document to save as a favorite because if you miss class, you can see what we did over there. There's additional practice options. I might do a separate video just about that. This is all the different things you can do for extra credit in the class. So really awesome, helpful resource. And again, I think I'll do a breakdown of this in another video. Also in the class operation documents, you have a little link that says where to get chemistry help. And that kind of, the idea there is to basically give you some ideas of what you can do when you're stuck, right? Including never leaving class without asking questions, emailing me, coming to see do STL, or using some of these resources that I have posted online. Finally, also under that blue course resource document, you will also find a third folder that says uh, help study and completing assignments. That one will have uh, ideas on how to take good notes in chemistry and how to study for chemistry, general study skills strategies, description of a good routine for students in science classes, general support doing specific types of assignments, and even more resources on that kind of stuff. The second folder that I skipped here is just where I put the videos that I'm like the one I'm recording right now. In fact, after I'm done, there's going to be a link to this video over there, including how to access the textbook and the video that I recorded earlier about the main resources within each unit. Lastly, this last folder, this is just a place where you can find all the resources that I end up linking on those pink folders. They can be found directly through here. This first link will go through all my units in chemistry, but within Unit 1, it will have a direct link to the folder of Unit 1. So you don't really need to come here, but this is just where I find a place where you can find the whole year in one place. Like this video chemistry library, it's all the videos that I recommend throughout the year in one place. A chemistry reference sheet, a link to the inquiry packets, the POGO, the ChemQuest, and the SkillQuest, which again are linked directly to within each unit. But this is one that I wanted to show you, this chemistry link ones. It's a really great resource. It actually points to resources outside of my own, including several websites and teacher websites on chemistry, virtual education websites, and my favorite YouTube lectures, including Marissa Maribel, Ben Chemistry videos, Clash Course, Tyler DeWitt, Khan Academy, Bozeman Science, Professor Dave Explains. There's a lot online that can help you when you're stuck with chemistry. And that's kind of what I suggest on the where to get chemistry help. Engage with some of these main resources. This last one is just Mr. Lima's resource hub, and it just points to it's my website and also another place where I link to these things. The last thing I want to show you is this last document here that says main chemistry resources. It's just yet another document that links to these resources outside of Schoology. But you don't need to necessarily use that because they are all within Schoology. All the links are there to help you out. But anyways, the best way to know how to do it is to just mess with the links, navigate through them, and that way you can get familiarized with what's there. But the most important thing is going to be that pink folder. That's where you're going to find the resources for each unit and all the assignments that you're currently working on, and so forth. All right. If you have any questions, just email me. Come see me doing STL. I'm here for you.